They look good, don't they? Look like ice cream pops. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook and Make Ice Cream. Let me show you what I've got up my sleeve today. I did a little teaser on this the other day, and I think I've got it figured out. So the recipe calls, I've got the recipe written down. Looks like hen scratch, but it's there. 1 cup of whole milk. 1 cup of whole milk. I'll have it in the description, and I'll also do it on the video. I'll have it listed out. It's not too hard to follow though. I got it in my high-tech mixer here. 1 can of Eagle brand. Well, and this is Wally World brand. You know, the good sweet stuff. I should have put this on before I started the video. It's slow as molasses. I don't make a mess here. There's not any white sugar going in this because it will cause ice cream to crystallize if it's not churned, and this is non-churned. All right, try to get every bit of it out of there. All right, my recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of Cairo, and I'm using light. Get you a little better picture there. 2 tablespoons of light Cairo. So this is half a tablespoon, so 4 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's close enough. Close enough for the girls I go with. You won't know any difference, and they sure won't know any difference. And this stuff is really sticky when you get it on you. And it calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I got a tester spoon back here somewhere. I'll just grab it and use it. I've made this a couple of different times. It works really good. I'm going to do a little different today. There's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You don't want to shoot yourself in the foot in this. That Cairo syrup's kind of got a vanilla. I think it's got vanilla flavoring in it. You don't want it too overpowering. Like I say, this is not churned ice cream like you'd put in an ice cream maker. I don't know. I guess you could. And just shake it up. And after you've shaken it for about 30 minutes in the freezer, it'll freeze. No, I'm not going to be in the freezer. I just want it shook up enough to get you see the stuff still on the bottom, the Eagle brand. It is adding a little bit of air into the mixture. Just about there. Just about. One more time. It's there. So what I've got these molds. Popsicle molds, ice cream bar molds, whatever you want to call them. And they came with this lid and a stick. So once you fill it up, you put it in there. And that's great, except What if you want to? I'm going to try a recipe with chocolate milk in it that makes some fudge bars. So these will be tied up until I eat them all. I might not be hungry for all that many. So what I've got, I've thought ahead. Popsicle sticks. I'm going to put popsicle sticks in it, and once these are set up, like tomorrow, I'll pull the whole thing out of here, wash it out, and put those in a Ziploc bag frozen, and then I'll do my next batch. Because these just don't work. You have to eat them all before you get to use them again. So we're going to pour this in here. And I could tell you, if you pour this over rice right now, you might like it. It's got a great flavor to it. And I don't think it's going to use it all. So I'll put it in the fridge. As I make a mess here. So I have two options on my popsicle sticks. As they explode and go everywhere. These things are tight. These things are wrapped tight in there. So you could put them in now, but it's too thin and it's going to fall over. It's just going to do it like that. That ain't gonna be no good. They need to stand up. And I had a candle factory one time, and what we would do when the wax was really hot, we cooled it down for a certain amount of time, and we'd come back and put the wicks in. So I could do that. But I may get busy and forget and just have some ice cream bars with no sticks in them. So here's what I've decided I'm going to do. I think it'll work. I've got some aluminum foil. I'm going to put down over the top of it. Scoot it up under the bottom. Make sure it's clamped on pretty tight that way. It'll seal off any smells. And I'm going to take a sharp knife and just do a little divot right here. I'm thinking this will work. That way when these are molded and I want to get them out, I can just take and pull them out and put them in a Ziploc bag. And look at that, boys and girls. Old dude wasn't wrong. They may fall to the side a little bit, but heck, that ain't no problem. These in here. I'll come back and check it in a little bit, making sure they're standing upright. There you go. The sticks are standing up like little soldiers down through there. A couple crooked, that's okay. I'm going to put it in the freezer and bring it out 4 to 5 hours from now. And let's check it and see what it looks like. I'm already hungry. And the leftover mixture will go in the fridge. Welcome back to the ice cream tasting. Vanilla bars. It's not 4 hours later, it's the next afternoon. I got busy and forgot about them. Well, it's in the freezer, so I don't know how long it takes to freeze them. I figure 4 hours will do it, but just if you make these, try them on your own and let me know how long it takes. They're frozen right now for sure. I just got some regular tap water. I don't know how long it'll take. They look good, don't they? Look like ice cream pops. Let's see. They've been sitting out for about a minute. They're not ready to come out yet. So I'm gonna just put them in this tap water. See if they can release here pretty quick. Once I make sure this works properly, then I am gonna get these out of here, let them thaw just a little bit, and put them in a big Ziploc bag. My next venture is to add chocolate flavoring into this to make a fudge pop, whatever you want to call it. I just call it good. Let's see if this is going to release here. It may still not be. No, got to have a little bit more. How about a high-tech popsicle holder until it melts holder? Yeah, Country Boy's got some ways. Oh, I can tell it's starting to release here on the side. Be nice if the bottom just fell off. Of course, it's not going to fall off because it's plastic. It's going to float. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes, boys and girls. It'll probably be messy and spilling stuff everywhere, but that's okay. There it is. My vanilla bar. It did it. Just get a taste before it starts melting. Oh goodness, that's good. It tastes like homemade vanilla ice cream. And you can see it's soft. In fact, you can tell it's so soft, it's starting to melt really quick. I'll put the recipe for this on the video. Exactly what I did. I'm going to do this again and pour it into a container. As soft as it is, I think it would be scoopable. Kind of like that, you know, get you a bite of it. How about that? I'll try that on a short video sometime for you. But my next one's going to be chocolate, fudge-sicle, fudge pops, whatever you want to call them. All right, I'm going to eat this before it melts all over the place. I appreciate y'all being here on my channel. If you know someone and they struggle with some life problems like I have, physical problems, strokes, heart attacks, and all, send them this video and say, hey, this old dude is 72 years old and he's come back, and the only reason I come back, I just keep on trying. I don't know where I'm going to go, but I'm going to keep on trying to get to wherever that is. So I appreciate you being here. See you on my next video. The old ice cream eating dude is out of here.